Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are having a show with Mr. Feroz Sheikh, who is also popularly known as the Shadow Man. This entire session is about how he has come up with the unique idea of the shadow dancing. What motivated him to be in this particular industry? How has he overcome his hard times? Let us start with the session with Mr. Feroz, the Shadow Man.
Hello everyone, this is Feroz Sheikh. I'm also known as Shadow Man. First of all, I would like to thank Sujata for getting me to this.
In your career also, you must have had some experiences and some situations where you have not given your best, but then you feel that this is going to be your version 1 or your trial version, and you have to give your best the next time. How have you managed to achieve your goal, and what has motivated you to do this?
The biggest factor which helped me to achieve the goal was seriously on my side. We were financially good enough, and I was always told that I can make a card and I can get into the industry and I can be a back dancer, dancing behind Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, and many other celebrities. But there was a thinking, why should I be so behind that only my family members, when I inform them, they will watch me, that I'm dancing behind someone. So I always tried to do something new that let me just come up on the point. Actually, it was Shadow, which I came up in 2009, which I started first time in India, and that gave me a very good name. We did more than, I think so, 15 TV serials and 8 to 10 reality shows and so many things. So I'll just tell you very simple thing. Thinking unique, staying unique is the best thing.
You know, often during the journey, we always have this one situation where we have to pick up the most toughest decision of our life. Which someone would think that that is not the perfect decision for you, but then you had to take it because you thought that was right for you. So what is that decision that you have made that has changed your life?
The hardest decision which I ever took, I can't take the name of the serial, I can't take the name of the channel, but yes, there was a time where we were into the top 8. And we were literally told, like, if you sign, there was no money involved in this, but it was like some event company, they came and they were like, you have to sign up with us, then only you can go in the finals, because yes, obviously because of you we are going to earn the whole year. And it was a contract of 1 or 2 years, I think so. But I already was into the market and I was having so many clients and event people which I already work with. So I just took that decision that I'll not sign the contract, because I have some relation with so many people which I can't spoil it. So I didn't do that, and we were like out from top 8 itself. If I would have signed it, I was into the top 3. But वो कहते हैं ना, मेरी ज़मीर ने मुझे रोक दिया कि I should not do that, because there were so many people, there were so many clients I worked with, and I couldn't ditch them. So that was the toughest decision which I took in my life. But yes, I'm not regretting it, because within 3 months only that event company didn't do well, and they have to scrap all the agreements. So thank to God.
We often have a different mood when we wake up every morning, and we have a different mindset. There must be some days where you don't feel too much energetic. So in lethargic times, how do you motivate yourself so that you can come back on track?
Okay, in lethargic times, how I motivate myself. I'll seriously tell you, there's only one mantra which I inform everyone. If this pandemic would have come only to me, my family, my career, my industry, then yes, I would have been in a negative form and I would have been not in a state to come up well. But it was going on worldwide. It was not only and only for me, it was for everyone. So guys, just chill, just relax. It's just a phase, it's just a time. I know saying it's very easy. It's very easy to say, it's very easy to console someone. But when it comes to you, it's very tough. So just be in a positive mind, just relax. The God is there with you. The whole family members are there with you. Some or the other way, your career is going to come back. If not, see, I'll seriously tell you, being a shadow man of India, but still what I am doing now, I am into graphic designing. I started learning logo designing. I started learning website designing. There were many things which I started learning actually. But now those learning are helping me so much that in lockdown, that in pandemic, the people are asking me to make these kind of designs, and which is seriously helping me a lot. So just don't leave the hope. The time is going to come. If it had been only to me or it's my family, then yes, I would have not really come up with these things. But yes, it was for everyone. That's the worldwide thing. So guys, please just keep doing something. The empty vessels make more noise. That's a simple thing which I'll say you. Just keep doing something. Try to keep yourself busy. Try to do some or the other thing. Some or the other thing. The God is there.
You're a versatile person. You have seen so much in your career. You have gone through so much, and you have made a place for yourself. So, what is your motivational mantra, and what would you urge the youngsters, other people to do? What is the one thing that you would want to advise them?
Youngsters will be, I think so, today's youngsters are very, very energetic. So don't just lose hope. You have a lot of time, a lot of things to come up with. And social media is booming so much that you can do so many things actually. Because in our times, we just came out from Orkut and just jumped into Facebook and just YouTube and Insta and all those stuff. But this time, you have a lot of channels to come up with. You can do so many things. And seriously, I'll tell you, there are sitting at home also you can earn. It's not that market this, market that, but if you feel कि मैं छोटा हूँ, then you'll always remain small. Just think, none of the job is small. Because I have traveled the world actually, and we have seen like people, those who are sweeping, those who are working in a washroom and everything. We just go and we just say, man, good job. I think each and every job is like, वो बोलते हैं एक बराबरी का काम करता है. So just leave about thinking, अरे मैं ये करूँगा तो गंदा दिखूँगा, अरे मैं वो करूँगा तो मेरा नाम चले जाएगा. Don't think that. See, I'm not a big personality, but still the shadow thing which I came up, it's like my baby. And when I have to stop my event careers just because of the pandemic, I have to come up with something. So I started making logos and I got into digital marketing and everything. It doesn't make me small actually, because end of the day, if my family is running on that, and if I can get some food, clothes and shelter for them, then yes, none of the job is smaller for me. So just guys, just roll it. Whatever work you get it, just do it. Keep doing it. So thank you, and thank you again Sujata for giving me this chance, and see you soon everyone. Thank you for listening. Bye.
Thank you for watching today's video. Stay tuned for more updates.